On June 20th, 2023, cops pulled over a driver who apparently thought sidewalks were optional. But once they looked inside that car, yeah, let's just say failure to yield was the least of her problems.
Alpha Lima 8-1 November Alpha. It's going to be 41 barefoot on a black Nissan truck.
He's looking for his license and registration.
Okay.
What's going on, man?
Hey, Deputy Listener to the Sheriff's Office. The reason why I'm stopping you, when you're coming out of that house, you got to stop before the sidewalk.
I completely stopped. I watched you for that. I did nothing wrong, bro.
When you left that house on Trammell Street.
I know the house is shot. I really was doing nothing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I watched you pull
That's my answer.
Yeah, you're right. I did. That's exactly what I did. I watched you, and you didn't even come close to a stop. Especially even with the biker right in front of you, you just blew right out. Didn't even bother stopping with that biker going into the house as well. Okay? You got a driver's license? Yep. Come Street Truck 22. We got $750 working. Listen, while we're going to do the same thing as last time, while I'm writing you guys your warnings, I'm just going to have you roll up the windows, and can you step out for me?
Yep.
I'll open the door to you. Drop what you have. Leave it in the car. Leave your purse in the car.
Okay. And my
Step out.
My underwear?
Step out.
Okay.
Everything. Stop moving and step out of the car.
Okay. My underwear?
Walk back here. Walk back here.
I'm sorry. I grabbed my underwear.
I'm not going to play these games with you. You think I'm stupid? You think I didn't see a red straw sitting there on the seat right there that you tried grabbing and hiding with your underwear?
Straw you drink out of.
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure that's exactly what it is.
That's not my straw.
It's not your straw.
Your fucking car, bro. No, fuck that, because I'm gonna get in trouble.
Chill.
For that shit.
Here's what I'm going to tell you. Stop right now.
Stop, okay? We're fine. Nothing's happening.
It only looks worse because you specifically grabbed it and tried hiding it from me and moving it when I saw it.
I just grabbed my underwear.
Right?
Yes.
You did not. It was clear as day.
I don't do nothing with straw, so I don't know what a straw would be for.
When officers asked her to step out, she turned into a magician, using her underwear to hide a red straw. The cops noticed right away, saying she was hiding something. She swore she had no idea what the straw was for. Sure, maybe her morning smoothie, right?
Okay.
It's no weed, dude.
You're not dumb. You and I both know what straws are used for.
I don't do nothing.
He just had a
Truck. I just got this truck, dude. So I don't know what the hell you're talking about, but there's nothing in my motherfucking truck or straw being used for that.
And back then was 2-22. 14.
Yeah, you got
There is nowhere in the Florida state statutes where it says that I have to specifically wait to pull somebody over. I could have followed you all the way to your home on Marco Island and then pulled you over.
I'm just trying to go home, dude.
Now with you giving me attitude,
I'm
and
sorry.
now you're getting confrontational. The moment I bring something up,
I'm arguing. I'm
I'm going to jail.
Oh, he left some super straw here.
what is that? It's in your other phone?
Yeah.
Where's your other phone?
It's all good. Just give me the freaking ticket, dude. I'd rather just take the ticket. I don't want you guys just whatever.
Is this your
This is my
vehicle?
truck. This is my brand new truck that he's trying to.
Come with me.
Stop sniping.
Here's the deal. Okay, I'm gonna give you one chance, and that's all I'm gonna give you because I'm sick of the games.
Okay.
All right, and you already know what you did.
Yeah, I know
okay?
what I did.
Why?
Because he had somebody in his truck that gets fucking high. I've been clean, okay? I just got pulled over for weed by the three cops. You can ask, because I have court next month for, okay? I go to the methadone clinic.
Sean?
When you asked me, I felt it. I was like, what is that? And that's when I grabbed my underwear. I was like, fuck, bro. It's not my straw.
It's not your straw.
It's not my straw.
Okay.
I promise.
Is it his?
No, it's not. It's his friends.
It's his friends.
Yes, I was at the house.
Okay. And what do they do with that straw?
I think he does vet and
He
meth.
does fat and meth?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now tell me why you're really over at that house.
That's where
That's
his
your
friend
aunt's
lives, and that's my aunt.
Is it okay? Now here's the cool thing. I can go and look to see who that person
Yeah.
is. Do you have anything on your person?
No, he's trying to be a problem.
Just because when I walked up, it looked like you were trying to.
No. I had the tapes.
I know you had keys up there too, which
Yeah.
is odd to me, but
I promise.
there's nothing else.
No.
I'm not gonna find nothing in your bag.
No. Go ahead, search it. I promise.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Okay.
Stay
Come
here.
here. No, come here. Good. Just hang tight right to the front of my car.
She started from pants, and she come back to my house. And I'm literally just here to pick up.
Just do me a favor, my man. Keep up.
I'm good, bro. I'm sorry. I'm just looking out for her. That's a brand new truck.
Just get it like a month ago, or
Literally a couple days ago, so it's like nothing. I don't know what he's talking about. 23, Nissan.
okay. Well, for me, I'm stressed just thinking about
I mean,
it.
I appreciate it. I'm sorry about her.
No worries.
Maybe I'm doing the job. But
People are responsible for their
I
own
knew I
actions.
was too, so I get it. I know the history.
Is that for me?
Just go my truck without.
This is what happened. That's what it is.
What is that?
Yeah, exactly. How about you stay there and shut your mouth? This is what's going on.
Well, I saw the needle.
Where?
So, I mean, whatever you put all this straw. Plain view?
Oh yeah, the moment that she stepped down, she tried grabbing it and concealing it as well for me.
All over it, crotch.
Stop reaching. What do you have?
Nothing.
Okay. Turn around, put your hands.
Dude, you gotta bomb me out of fucking jail.
Then she reached down her pants, pulled out a piece of foil and another straw, because one just wasn't enough, apparently.
What is it? It's foil? Take this out of your hands. Stop grabbing at it.
Do me a favor, deep breath, okay? Deep breath. You're gonna make it work. Deep breath. Do you have anything else?
What?
Another straw.
There's another straw on you? Okay. Naples, 3 Charlie 22. Can you show one female detained? We have a female level for search. Stay there and hang out with him. You're being detained just for right now. Okay. Just because of the drugs inside of the
There's no
vehicle.
drugs in my car.
Here's the deal, and here's what I'm gonna tell you. Okay?
Come on, listen.
You just keep going up and down with me. You gotta pick it. You're either gonna stay pissed at me,
I knew it was you,
or
bro.
you're gonna have a level head and you're gonna talk to me during this. You're going to jail.
It's fine, dude. I'm finding out.
The male driver went off, yelling, cursing, and threatening cops. He refused to cooperate, so they cuffed him and threw him in the back, where he belonged.
You're yeah. In your door?
It's mine. Everything in this truck's mine.
Okay. You're going to jail.
No, everything in the truck's mine. There's nothing that's his. It's
Turn
all
around.
mine.
It's ours. You said it. It's not mine.
That's not how it works.
It's not mine.
That's not how it works. You literally just told me exactly where you knew it was.
Because you were going in my truck. I gave you. I never say it's mine. You got to. You suck at being a cop, bro. Okay. I'm coming after you when I get out.
I appreciate
Hey,
that.
up, bro.
Coming after me?
I'm gonna fucking see you guys and put you down because you're fucking unlawful and pull people over. Okay. Yeah, I watched you, bro. You got, bro. Who the fuck? You the fuck out this shit.
Can you put them in your car?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
It's fine, baby. I'm getting this out. I'll get you. I promise.
All right, Charlie.
Give a fuck, dude. Come on, man. Because he's a little pussy ass fucking fuckboy, bro. I wish.
You wish what?
One in the fucking loop, whatever.
Huh?
Yeah. You wish what, man? We were just for ruin people's lives. That
Look
what
at
you like,
that.
dude?
Look at that. Nothing back there.
Oh,
Take a
cool,
seat.
right?
Take a seat.
Cool. Fuck. Hope your mama dies, fuckboy.
Okay. I want to turn your hair up.
What, nigga?
I'm telling you.
I don't give a fuck what you gotta tell me, dog. I'm already going to jail,
This
nigga.
car, guess what? You're getting another felony charge.
Come on.
All
Send it
right?
to me, dog.
And you keep acting up, it's going to be even worse for you.
I'm fucking suing.
That's it. Can you go get me? Could you see me too? I know. What a pain I am.
Oh, fuck, that's not mine.
Okay, listen. I understand that we may have gotten off on the wrong foot because you're obviously nervous because of what happened in the car.
Yeah.
So here's the deal. I'm just going to read your Miranda rights before I ask you any questions and we'll go from there, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning. If you decide to answer any questions now without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Okay? Do you understand your rights since I read that to you? Okay? You want to talk to me?
Yeah, so you guys, why do you feel that? Like, are you sure it's that coke?
I'm positive. I just tested it. And I'm sure it'll test for cocaine as well. It's probably a cocaine fentanyl mixture.
Why does he have that though?
I don't know. You tell me. Okay. So there's nothing else inside your person I'm going to find.
No.
Nothing else in you that they're going to find at the jail. Because you're going to jail for at minimum the paraphernalia.
In my panties, I grabbed this little straw that I seen and I sprayed it. I left in the seat.
Besides that piece of tinfoil right there that you dropped out of your pants.
Yeah, that's when I shoved it. I have another straw in it.
So you were shoving something when I was walking up.
Yes. No, yeah, I seen it. When I seen it and I knew it was in the seat. As soon as it turned light, I was like, fuck, I put it in my pants. Okay? I knew it was there. I seen it. Well, I freaking went in the fucking seat. Okay?
After hearing her Miranda rights, she finally admitted it. The stash was in her underwear. Cops said she was tweaking, and honestly, she looked every bit of it.
Just stay over here a little bit. You keep wandering in traffic.
The other straw, I didn't see that. So when I was getting out, I tried to hide it with pants.
Okay. Now,
I don't know that.
she's going to search you. Do you have anything on you?
It's inside your underwear?
No, it's just in the underwear, yeah.
It's inside your underwear?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not
There
getting
you go. But you just want to check anywhere else and then I'll
I couldn't like room over. It'll probably fall out.
Okay, stop. Just stop. Turn around and spread your feet.
She's tweaking.
What is this?
When the jail gets it out there, you can still test it.
No, I'm going to.
Yeah, I don't feel
Is this just empty tinfoil or something?
Stop moving.
Yes. No, there's something on it. I don't know. I'm pretty sure he's smoking on.
Do you have anything inside your bra?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm to check though. I'm not gonna say yes because I'm not trying to get any more charges.
Okay, well, if I don't find it, the jail will, so you'll be charged with it regardless. Do you understand that?
Okay, I don't know what's in my. I don't know. Check, please. Yes. I don't think I do. But I don't want to answer that. I'm saying no, and then
Is there any pockets in
yes.
Just here and over here? Okay, stand up normal.
There's nothing else. I'm going to turn the airplane and just put her in my car.
Alright. Over here. This way.
Alright, so here's the deal. Okay, it's been checked. There's nothing back there. So if I find anything back there, you're in charge of it, okay?
Oh, the underwear. You guys always.
She's not gonna go in there and take it. Okay, so don't go reaching for it and doing anything crazy with it.
All right.
So they're gonna get it out of the jail.
Okay.
Because you've been honest. No, because you've been honest with me, I'm not gonna charge you with that charge because you told me that you have something that is concealed. Okay? We just can't get it out right now. That would be completely unfair to charge you with that.
Thank you.
Okay? I'm gonna turn the air off for you.
All right.
While searching the car, cops found a hidden gun, plus a few other sensitive items. Guess the glove box was running out of secrets.
Smells like weed in here. Hey, check for a firearm. If you see one, let me know. Yeah, tell me if you find something. Okay, I got the firearm right here.
I got some tinfoil. It was in the
In her
side
bag.
compartment.
Oh, I saw that when she opened the door. Where are... Is that the serial number? I don't know. This just seems very short for a serial number on the back. You know?
I will get some clothes on and...
There's one child, that's the other kid.
I got it. 765 ER. What is 22. Yeah, I'm not too sure if you so great this stuff run it. I appreciate that. I'm not. You're the military guy. You know, yeah. So.
Watch this center console. It's got liquid all over in there.
Oh wow.
Looks like there might have been a blunt in there.
Yeah, I can smell it.
Did you want me to pop this open?
Yeah, just let me know if it's just burn or if there's actually substance in there. And that was in the door?
Yeah, right here.
Thanks, Chevy.
10 Park, break neighbor 3, Charlie 2140 and lot 28.
Just looking for the dope.
Inside the patrol car, he went full meltdown, screaming about a panic attack while kicking the door like a maniac.
Dude, I'm sweating fucking balls back here, bro!
Okay, I have the AC turned all the way up.
No, dude, I ain't fucking...
I do.
Look at me, dude. Look at me.
have it.
I swear to God, I'm gonna kick this window out, bro. I am fucking having a panic attack, my boy. I'm not kidding, dude.
Okay.
I'm not kidding, bro. This is fuck. Please, you put the air on, bro.
The woman was charged with tampering with evidence, resisting without violence, and possessing drug paraphernalia, the full clown package. But prosecutors dropped the first two, leaving her with just the paraphernalia charge. A downgraded mess is still a mess. The man was charged with possession of a controlled substance, carrying a concealed firearm, and possession of drug paraphernalia. He received a 2-year jail sentence with 458 days credited for time already served in custody. Some people just can't stay away from their second home.